Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Caitlin, also known as Curlsbythedozen. Today I will be doing a video of my favorite stylers from 2019. Stay tuned. I have 10 stylers I would like to share with you all, and the first one is a gel from Curls. It is the Be in Control Curl Sculpting Gel. This I did a video on, and if you haven't seen it, once you're done watching this video, go check it out. This gel is so great. It's from the Ultimate Styling collection, and my hair was so soft, so defined, so moisturized after using this gel. And I also had the hold that I like. I'm a type of person that loves definition, and I don't mind a little bit of shrinkage, so I actually really love the gel. Even if you're somebody that loves volume, you can play with the hair and you can still get the results you want. But otherwise, this gel is amazing. It has aloe leaf juice to protect and grow the hair, and it is also packed with vitamins. So I highly recommend, and if you want to see my results from this gel, you can go check out my YouTube video, and I also have a couple pictures on my Instagram. Another one of my favorite stylers is also a gel, and it is from Camille Rose Naturals. It is the Lavender Crush Defining Gel. I also have a video on this, so if you haven't seen it, please go check it out after this video. This gel is lavender infused and crafted for definition and extra hold. My results I got from this were really great. I love this gel because it gave me the definition I always yearn for, and also the length that I don't always get when styling my hair. It's almost like you have to choose if you want definition or if you want volume and length, but I didn't have to choose. I was able to get all three. So I would highly recommend, and also the ingredients are great. So I would check this out. If you want to do a wash and go, highly recommend. I also have another product from Camille Rose Naturals. It's the Almond Jai Twisting Butter. I would highly recommend this gel for your twist outs or braid outs. I personally am not really into twist outs as much these days, but I like to use it for my buns and sleeking my hair down and making sure my hair is moisturized when I need it to be. The fourth product I have is from the Made Choice, and it is the Do It For The Culture Bold Buttery Gel infused with biotin and vitamin A, C, D, and E. I did a braid out with this gel, which is also on my channel, so you can check this one out also after you're done with this video to see my results. But my braid out came out so pretty, and my hair was soft, it was elongated, and it was defined. And just like the other products, the ingredients are also natural, and it promotes hair growth. If you like to do braid outs, twist outs, and even a wash and go, I feel like the results would be really great with this. So my next product is also from the Made Choice, and it is from the Exotic Kool-Aid line, and it is the Luscious Lychee and Dragon Fruit Definition of Definition Jello. That was definitely a mouthful. This gel is so nice. I'm pretty much all out of this gel. I love the whole line, but we're focused on stylers today, so I'll stick to the point. This gel, it has the texture similar to a Jello, and it gave me a super defined wash and go, and I had the hold that I wanted and also the definition. This gel is infused with biotin and vitamin D and E. It smells really nice, just like all the products do, but this is one of my favorite scents. The whole line smells amazing, and it's really just a great product. I know some people aren't really into the texture of the Jello versus a regular gel, but it works great in combination with the other products from the line. I would definitely recommend this product for wash and goes. It would also be great for twist outs and braid outs as well. The sixth product I have is also from the Made Choice, and it is a styling gel and an edge control in one container. It is the Proceed with Caution, Killer Curls and Brutal Bounce Look Both Ways Hair and Edge Gel. This stuff is so amazing. This gave me one of the best wash and goes of my entire life. I love this product. As you can see, it's really huge. Really huge, and it's just, this is one of my faves. I would definitely recommend for doing a wash and go. If I were asked the top 3 gels, this would definitely be in my top 3 because I love it that much. It gave me the definition and it lasted over a week. I think it went to day 8 or 9 before I decided to wash my hair, and I was so in love with the results. So my 7th product is from Mielle Organics. So this is the BABASSU Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Mousse. I also have a video using this product if you want to check it out after you watch this video. This mousse is so amazing. Honestly, you don't need any other product with it. With this line, there's also a curl cream, and when I first bought this, I also bought the curl cream and I use them in conjunction with one another. However, this can be used on its own for your flexi rod sets, your perm rod sets, and it's great. You can even use it for wash and goes. I haven't tried that, but I'm sure your results would turn out very well. I used this for a flexi rod set and it was so beautiful. Love it. I also love Mielle Organics because it has natural ingredients and it's for curly and dry hair types. So if you're interested in a mousse, I would highly recommend this, and I love it. My 8th product is from Mielle Organics, and it is the Honey and Ginger Styling Gel. I absolutely love this product. I haven't used it in a while because I've been trying different things, but I always know I'm gonna get great results with this gel. It smells good and the ingredients are great, and I just know anything coming from Mielle Organics is gonna be high quality and it's gonna work for me, so absolutely love it. I usually use this for wash and goes because she's a wash and go girl, and my results are always great. It smells nice and it's easy to use because it's a pump. I really appreciate when styling gels have pumps if it works for their consistency, because it's easy to just pump out into your hand and apply to the hair. So if you're looking for a gel, this is also one of the gels I would recommend to all of my curly girls. If I had to give you top 3, this would definitely be in my top 3. My 9th product is the Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Souffle from Mielle Organics. I absolutely love this product. It leaves my hair super moisturized and it's super thick, buttery. It smells great. The pomegranate and honey line smells amazing. If you're into scents and you want your hair to smell like paradise, this is it. And that's another reason I love these natural hair products, because they smell good and the scents are beyond me. But back to the point, this twisting souffle is super great. The pomegranate and honey line is for type 4 hair, so you'll notice that the products are decadent enough to really penetrate type 4 hair. I personally believe I'm 3C, 4A with a little bit of 3B in my hair, and I love products for type 4 hair because they're always going to be thick and they're always going to be moisturizing. So if you don't have type 4 hair, it doesn't matter. This product is amazing and it will give you the definition, the shine, and the moisture that you're really looking for. I would definitely recommend this product if you're into twist outs or you just want something that's really gonna penetrate and moisturize your hair. My 10th favorite styler from 2019 was the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Coil Sculpting Custard. I absolutely love this stuff. At the very beginning of 2019, I was using this all the time, hence why I have a brand new bottle in front of me. I love this for my wash and goes. It really gets the hair to set in place, and it's really a great product. I love custards because they give a different type of definition to the hair and it smells really, really good. This product really penetrates my hair and makes my curls pop. So it gives me the definition I want, and I always get compliments when I'm using this. This is one of my favorite products of all time, and this is probably also in my top 3 of recommended curl products that I would recommend to somebody if they wanted to know what they should use for a wash and go. You cannot go wrong with this product. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next one.